guys, it's Hayley. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a unboxing for you, and it is going to be the monthly Tea Club subscription box. So as you know, I bring to you our family subscription boxes. So this one is one that Jamie subscribes to every month. This is just a t-shirt box. So basically, the monthly Tea Club offer 3 different options for t-shirts. You can have a 1 t-shirt a month box, which is £9.99, 2 t-shirt box, which is £17.99, or a 4 t-shirt box, which is £29.99. We get the £29.99 one for Jamie, and we have been doing for a long while now. We've been a loyal customer for a long time. We do pay for these ourselves. They are not sent to us. We pay for these every single month ourselves. They also offer a mystery box, which is £14.99, and a hoodie box, which is £19.99. So they are great. They're really, really good quality. When you go onto the website, if you want to purchase one of these, when you go onto the website, they will offer a screen that gives you your options to choose what interest you have. So within them interests, you'll have things like film and TV, music, politics, spirituality, cars, there's so humour. There's so many different ones that you can choose from. So there will be a t-shirt option that will suit your interests. So basically what happens when you choose their interests, you can leave some out if you want to and only pick the ones that you like. And what happens then is the guys at the monthly Tea Club will then source the t-shirts that meet your interests. So it means that your box is coming to you, you know, and it'll only be what you're interested in and what you want to wear on your body. That's enough chatting from me. I think it's time to get into this video. Now, I have done one of these previously on my channel and a lot of people really enjoyed it. A little bit of an alternative to all the beauty videos I do. Now this is a monthly t-shirt box. My son gets this every single month, so I'll be bringing it to you every month to show you what's inside. So I've took the address label off the front. This is how it comes, just in a normal brown box. So let's get inside and have a little look at it. So when we open the box, this is how it comes. Obviously Jamie has looked at this box this month. It did come yesterday, so we're on Saturday today, so it come on Friday. So he has had a look at it. I can't let him get his subscription box and keep it until I'm ready to do an unboxing on it. So these are the t-shirts and these are how they come inside. So firstly we have this one here, which is Skywalker's t-shirt. So this is the print on the front, as you can see. So lovely quality again, always such nice quality, these t-shirts. This is a medium size, so really, really generous. My son's 17, 6'1", and quite slim build, but this is big for him. So if you're his kind of shape, then obviously go for this sort of size. They are normally quite generous. So there's the first one. So next we have this one. So this is a humour one. Jamie's likes to think of himself as a bit of a comedian, so he always picks the humour ones. He likes them. So this is this one here. Just bring that up to the camera for you to see. You can see that. So this one says, "Let us turn up the beat." So let us turn up the beat, basically. So you've got your lettuce, your turnip, and your beetroot there, and your turnip is DJing. So let us turn up the beat. That's this one. So that's brilliant. And Jamie likes to wear clothes like this for work, so that he can stand out a little bit. So that is that one. So next, I have seen this advertised on the monthly Tea Club website. So this is obviously film. So this is Top Gun. So obviously it's a Top Gun t-shirt. It's Top Gun, but obviously Forrest Gump in the middle. So it's Top Gump. So as you can see, they're very different. So that is the Top Gump t-shirt. Again, really, really good size, really nice quality. We keep getting these every month, so there's got to be something to say they're good quality. So there's that one. And then lastly, and this is my favourite one, and Jamie's favourite. So every month as well, you get to go on a t-shirt picker. It's called a tea picker. And that is open every month. They'll send you an email to let you know when the tea picker is open. And you can go onto the tea picker and you can pick one t-shirt for your box. On the mystery box, you don't get to do that. But this was Jamie's tea picker from the last month. So he knew he was getting this one. So this one is Sesame Street Fighter. So that's this one here. So as you can see, it's got Sesame Street and then it's got Sesame Street dressed as Street Fighter. That's that one. And it's all the Street Fighter colours, which is well cool. So it's a mixture of Street Fighter colours with the Sesame Street branding as well. It's a nice blue t-shirt. And I think that one's absolutely brilliant. So as you can see, they're very individual, individual to your taste and to what you like and what you enjoy. I know they seem a lot of money, but sometimes to get kind of individual items, it's quite nice. Not everybody you walk past is going to have these tops. Okay, granted, there may be people who get the t-shirt box and may have the same t-shirt as you, but it's not going to be like walking down the street and, you know, having the same t-shirt all the time. It is going to be the odd time it might happen. We love it, and we keep subscribing every single month. I was actually featured on the Monthly Tea Club website last month, so that's absolutely fantastic. So yeah, so that is the monthly t-shirt club for this month. We will be getting it again. He has done his monthly tea picker this month, and so we will get it again next month. So that'll be exciting for you to see. So like I said, they are 4 t-shirts for £29.99. And then you can obviously reduce the amount of t-shirts you get for a lesser cost. So that is my monthly tea club unboxing for you. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit different, but I don't see a problem with that, and that's what I want my channel to be. I want it to be an all-rounder channel where I include things for myself and my family. They are a big part of my YouTube channel and my YouTube journey. My family are supporting me through this all the time. So, you know, I'm going to incorporate them. And one day, maybe you might get to meet them all. There is only my husband and there's my son. So hopefully one day you will get to meet them. We'll have to see. My husband's quite shy. Jamie will probably bounce on here, so you'll probably meet Jamie quite soon. I was thinking about doing, my son does my makeup for me. So just let me know in the description if you'd like, let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. I don't know how he'll feel about coming on. He's very, very confident, so he might not mind. But, you know, it'd be worth a laugh, wouldn't it? So that is my monthly unboxing. I will obviously be back with you in a few days' time. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My subscription does seem to be going up nice and steady. So I am starting to build my little family of YouTubers. Please comment down below and please start conversation. I'm more than happy to converse with you all and get to know you. So please like the video, give it a big thumbs up for me if you don't mind. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified of any future uploads. And until the next time, you take care. Mwah.